adjust my styles there. So sorry. Strings, boundaries, story of C language, just C language, it's easy.
Do you know how to log into the computer? Yes. Okay, yes, then you your student account with the password. Make sure that it has the internet cable connected to the computer, so you can check on the back. Yeah. So if you cannot log in, maybe you type the wrong password or it's not the connection from the internet cable. Okay.
Yeah, can see that because cross color coordinator. This one is C.
Alright everyone, welcome to the first offline tutorial session. Okay, I hope you enjoy the environment that we have here. And in this first offline class session, I would like you to have a written activity. It means that just to talk to someone that sits next to you. Okay, so let's first on, if you already have a team, then sit with your team. Okay, if not, then just sit with any other people randomly. Alright, and then in table, you can consider a table like a team just for this class session. Later on, you can pick any other people in your class to form the team and transfer for the team. Okay, So after the class, I will open the link for you to register for a team. And next Friday, you will have the first group activity. Just to do quick, and it's very easy. Okay? Yeah. So right now, a table consider like a team, and then you have 3 minutes to introduce each other within your team, within your table, with some basic information like name, major, some hobby. Okay, you can talk anything about that. Yep, but you need to record in the information, like the name of all members in the team, and some other basic information of them. And then after that, each team you need to introduce your team to the whole class. Okay, so just one member stand up, introduce, tell the name of people in your team, and some other information. Are you clear with that? Okay, good. Okay, yeah, go. I give you 3 minutes to do that. English, guys. Yeah, you English only. Okay. Talk with people in the same table. So here you can. Okay, you can check the chat and yeah. And record the name information so you might need to have paper in that. Yeah, yeah.
Watch some movie.
Still have one seat here. With computer is not used. This one. And cho the reference introduce yourself.
Thật ra ngồi ngoài cũng sợ. Em đang discussion kiểu giới thiệu bản thân rồi hobby á, có gì em chia sẻ với mọi người.
Xin chào các anh em là Trọng Bách, học sinh. Hello, I am Bách, a freshman student. It's my first year, and I'm studying robotics and mechatronics. My favorite hobby is mostly game. I used to play some guitar, but I drop it, and I don't think there's much hobbies I can talk about except games.
So your name is Beck, right?
Yeah, Bách.
Hi Beck.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed. I'm around second year. I'm working at part-time development engineer right now. So this is my channel. My hobby is doing YouTube channel and hanging out with people. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Whose laptop is this?
It's mine.
Alright. Thought it's someone else.
Nghe nói ở đây ngồi cũng được nè.
Dạ.
Dùng cái máy này luôn.
Ok.
Ai là ai ta? Em dùng máy này đi. Anh nghĩ em nên dùng máy này. Tên máy này nó bị gì? Không có lót ao cái hạt cao hết được.
Nãy lên đây vừa lạc đường.
Nè.
Chỗ này chưa quen.
Để anh chuyển chỗ qua này. Lót sao đi rồi em đăng nhập thôi. Đăng nhập cái email với cái gì á.
Rồi Lan, thiếu số 2 tạm giữ.
Alright, everyone.
Các bạn biết
Yeah, first on, just a kind of reminder, you know that for each class, we have a limited number of chair and computer as well. So that's the reason that we need to register in the timetable and try to go to the correct class session that you register on the timetable. Okay, because if you switch the class, if a lot of you go to the same tutorial section, then we may run out of space. Yeah, but that's fine. Okay, we try to support our students here. Okay, so no worry about that. Yeah. So right now, we just do that. This one. Okay. Right. So you already have 3 minutes to introduce yourself between the members and table. Okay. Now, so let's just introduce it. Again to the whole class. Okay, so we can start with the table first. Alright, yeah. Can you introduce
Em
the
là
main
bắt đúng không?
people in your team?
Cái gì vòng view bằng ID.
Đúng rồi, bị chậm ấy, chứ không có gì đâu. Em tên là Bách đúng không? Thôi, Quang Minh đúng không? Và anh Minh.
So both of us, like all of us, have to make sure it's software engineer, and we have kind of different hobbies. Like the majority is just playing games. And they said that they like to go to the beach. We can one day like some other time with like to making special.
Yeah. So that's the introduction, and I'm glad that you start to know us out. Okay. You can register for a whole thing like this, like research. But it's up to you to pick any other people to form the team. Okay. Next, can you have the table? Yes. Okay. You know on member in your team? Yeah, so you said the other and you didn't know on member yet? Yeah, the name of all members you see? Okay, yeah, so can we do that? Okay, yeah, so let's introduce you by the name and your major. Okay, we can do it part of this. Start from here. My name is Kim, CHI, and I am major in mechanics. Okay. My dad is a mechanical engineer, so yeah. And my hobby is playing basketball and playing games. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Next.
My name is Trần and this is Vũ. We are both in the robotic engineering. My hobby is playing games and he's playing basketball.
Yeah. Good. Okay. Yeah. Next. Yeah. So at the table. start to record the team member name. Okay. The second part. Okay. Can you
Okay.
My name is Nate. This is one. I don't know what his major is because I didn't ask him, but my major is robotic engineering, and he loves to play games, and I love to shoot some stuff.
Yeah. Okay, good. He already said right. So for the newcomer, we have some chair over there. Okay, you can share that. Okay. Yeah. Next is table. Can you have a short interview of all member in your table? Yeah. Did you record the name? Yes.
Maybe I remember the name but not the hobbies.
Yeah. Okay. No hobby. Yeah. Just name and major. Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone. So our tables have 5 members. So his is Bud. He's freshman. His is Koi. He's freshman too. Wang Min. He's freshman and Khoa. And for me, my name is Anman. I'm second year in IT already. I'm currently working as a DevOps engineer. So this is my general elective. Nice to meet you guys.
Okay. Yeah. We will have an app from the team.
Thấy anh học elective.
Này môn elective của anh.
What is major? Yeah. This table, did you introduce? Yes, already.
Yeah, already.
Our table consists of 4 people. This is Hong, Dan, and my name is Ming, and this is Nguyen.
Guys, silent.
Hong is major in robotics. Dan, me, and Nguyen is major in software engineer. Both Hong and Dan has a hobby of riding a bicycle, but Hong likes to play football. Nguyen is a fan of anime, and I like playing games.
Yeah, yes. Okay, thank you guys. Next. Yeah, 4 years. Yeah.
It's the
Yeah. Okay, and what? Yeah. Right. Yeah, so thank you guys. Alright, so I'm glad that we have is introduction between the people in the same table, and then you know the how in the class, and you can maintain the contact and register for the team and so on. Okay, so don't get lost, don't be long. It's actually for programming. For programming, you need to have some happy person actually with the class, so that we can support the other students very well. Okay. So now let's do the activity that we have today. Okay. So you can go to the canvas outside. You go to which one? Alright. And you go to yeah, so you go to the last instruction here. And right. Yeah. This is a guide to video activity today. Right? And if you see on the canvas, I also put a link at the recorded video of our lecture yesterday. Okay, so you can also find a link there. Alright? And here. Okay, you can find a link of the lecture yesterday video. I already put it on canvas. But you know that actually the recorded video will be available immediately in the classroom on my Teams after a few minutes. Okay, so it will be immediately available there. Right. So now, open, go to the file you have. Yeah. So first one, yeah, this one. Okay. And if you have any problem with your computer, then you can raise your hand so we can yeah, so check the internet cable, and when you have the internet cable, you don't need to anyone else? Yeah, body, neck, yeah, that's it. Just in the internet cable. Try. So let's try for this video. Try this. Who will have problem with the computer?
No, I don't have this.
Who have? Ah, right. Yeah. This way. Yeah. This one. Clap. Good. Yeah, I can show you right now. All right. Let's focus on the screen. I show you how you can configure the Mac OS. Okay, especially if it's your first time that you work with Mac. So first of all, you might see that the user interface of the Mac is very elegant. So I think it's very good. But if it's first time, then you may need to do some checking. So first of all, you see the system preference here. System preference. Okay, click on that. next one. Alright, so you should see this window. Okay, see the reference? Maybe I turn off.
Oh.
Yeah. Suppose on
Okay.
go to system reference and search for the mouse. Mouse, okay. Enter. Yeah. So you see the mouse setting here. And what you need to do? So untick the scroll direction here. Untick this one. Okay. Untick it. Yeah. Right. So that's first that's it. Right. You can increase the scroll length. Increase the tapping speed here. Increase this one. This means that your mouse will become faster when you move it around. Okay. Increase the tapping speed. Yeah. And select the right button become secondary. Yeah. So untick the scroll direction, increase the tracking speed, and change the secondary button to the right. Okay? You got it? Wow, yeah. Tracking speed, increase. Okay, yeah. Primary is the left. Become left. Yeah, right. You have any issue? No? You don't need to go to the control center. Okay? The cancel. Yeah. You can go to the inside, right? Yeah. Okay, all good? Yeah. Primary in the left, and you don't need to select secondary. Yeah, the primary in the left. Traffic speed, is good? Yeah, right, on good. Okay. So now you can see that you can move the mouse easier, right? Yeah, so it's become familiar now, right? For the first setting. Next. So line part. Okay, top line. Okay. So what next? If you want to open the application, the program in the Mac, how can you do that? So you can click on the line part here. Alright. Click on this one. It will allow you to open all the app or the RAM that you have in the computer. Okay. And if you want to do it faster, you can search for name here. Right. For example, if you want to go to the web, you need to view survey. Okay. Get that? Right. So this is the line part, as you can see here. Okay. If you want to search for a file, which I should go to? Roll the file. Roll for a file folder. What?
System.
Yeah, folder, right. So, if you want to roll for a file folder, you click on folder. Yeah. So here. Right. So folder here. Okay. So you have desktop document. Yeah, the folder like this in your account. Right. So you find it. Okay. Yeah. And terminal. Okay. So you can also open the terminal as well. Yeah. So in this one, when you roll that, you can also open the terminal. So this is also an application for you to try the command. Okay. Especially when you do some setting to the Mac. Right. that is the first part. That's the first part. That's how to get you with the martial arts. Okay. I already also put some setting right there. Later on you can also try that. You know that this room when you do not have class, you can enter it anytime. Okay, and then you can play more with the mark. Yeah. Right. So now let's do the second part here. Get you with the graphical card. Okay. So just follow the instruction there. So I will make it very detailed. Alright. So just click on graphical card and log in with your Amity account and then do some setting there. Okay. So let's go. Okay, follow it step by step. So you lost the password? Okay. So if you cannot log in with this one, then you use the one, and you can register on the site. Yeah, so you can use your personal email. So and the username you want, your personal email, that you have attached to. And of course you want to yes. Does anyone have any issue? No?
See, terminate. Let me see. Let me see the angle where I see it.
Alright everyone, did you get to this step? Okay, so create a new rack. I put the name there, put the name code. Okay, and then you can start to see the main.c file. Alright, so this is a template file for you. Okay, put the content like this. Okay, can you raise your hand if you already get to this step? Yes? So get to this step? Okay, good. Yeah. For other people, if you have any issue, then raise your hand and I come to support you there. I'm good? Okay, yeah. So if you already get to this one, then I will show you how you can combine that. So this is a simple program, the hello world program. That's you know that if you run this one, it will read now the hello world message. Okay, so program in C is very basic like this. Just fill out the code, and when you see the command at the line number 4, print app hello world. So it will print out the hello world message. Okay, and to run this program, you need to combine it to make it become a program. So here it is code. Okay, the code is a line, many line of instruction that you write. But to run this one, you need to combine it into a computer program. Okay, make sense? Alright, so how you can combine run that? So you open to the cell here. Click on the cell tab. Okay, and then you type the command DCC and the file name. So the file name main.c. Okay, yeah, and then you have the semicolon. The semicolon is to combine multiple instructions together. Okay, so when I have this one, let I run it one time for you. So if I type like this and I hit enter, you see here, I only have the main.c file and the folder that I create. Okay, so main.c, and when I run this one, it creates another file with the name a.out. You see that? Okay, so what does it mean? It means that when I type TCC and the file name, it combine my source code to create a program with the name by default with a.out. Okay, so that is the default name for the program that you combine. Alright, and now to run that, you can run it like this. One dot and slash. One dot and slash. It refers to the current folder. Okay, the current folder that you are working on. Alright, so one dot and slash, and the file name. The file name you have is a.out, and you hit enter. So you should see that hello world message. You get that? Yeah. So there's two steps. One step is to combine the program, combine the source code that you have, and another step to run the program that you have combined. Okay, and you can do it together. So, like this, I can combine two commands together using the semicolon. Okay, and whenever I want to run it, just hit enter. Yeah, like this. Okay. Are you clear here? Good? Right, yeah. Try it by yourself. Okay, good. Yep. You can combine two instructions together. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. All right. TCC. What does it mean by TCC? It means that you call the compiler. Okay, the compiler is a tool. You have to compile the source code. Yeah, and we use TCC tool. Okay. Yeah, main.c the file name of your source code. Right? A.out, right? A.out is the program that you have when you compile your source code. Okay, and dot and slash it refers to the current folder that you are working on. Yeah, good. Yeah, right. And I tell you one tip here. Sometimes you type a command, right? If you want to run a command again, you don't need to retype it. Okay? Does anyone know how to read faster? I don't want to retype the command that I typed before. So how to read faster? You can hit the up arrow. Okay, in your keyboard, hit the up arrow. You see it? Okay. And you can up and down as well. You get that? Yeah. That's how you can do it faster. Alright? Yeah. Okay? Yep, so that is the step that you have in the document. So let's continue to follow the step there. Yeah, try this one. Initial setup. So I already done this one. Done this one. Where the folder, where the right here. And you're gonna be combine that. Combine run it. Yeah. We have just done this step. and I have just explained for you, and you also have the explanation here. Okay, so next you explore the setting and the file. So go to the menu of setting and the file and make that setting. Okay, so you have to here setting and file. So go there, in the file menu, and what you have, you can create a folder, you can create a file here. Okay, and for the setting, what you have here, yeah, just take a look at what you have with the menu. Okay, you look. Have some LS. Okay, good. You know some comment there. Running. Oh, you use G++? Let's do GCC, not G++, because you are writing C, not C++. Yeah. And what you have on Replit actually is a Linux computer there. Okay, and you know that actually Linux and Mac, they are built both on the Unix, so they are similar in the way that you type the command. Okay, so it looks like that you have two worlds like Windows and the Linux and the Mac OS, they are similar. And when you work in there, actually you can know how to type a command on the Linux and on the Mac OS as well. Okay, so you have two screens there. This is the terminal of the Linux. Yeah, and you type a command here to work with that computer. Okay, so you type a command to send instruction to the computer to compile the source code and run it. Okay, yeah. So just continue to follow the instruction there. So after you can combine it and you do the other step. You are using this into your folder now. You are currently inside your original folder. Okay. Now you have a new folder. So if you want to get inside, then you have to see the folder. So yeah, you see no file icon. You can remember here. Alright, let me demonstrate the next step. So that's how you can create a folder. So you click on add folder here. Okay. And the folder name, so let's find it with name, with file, with one, intro. Okay. And then how you can move the main.c file inside that folder. How you can do that?
Drag.
Yeah, just drop it. Okay. Do this one as well. Right. And how you can rename it? How you can rename it? So you have the three dots here on the file. You click on that, you select rename. Okay. So rename it to com. Hello.c. Alright. Yeah. So you should have a folder and then the file inside the folder like this. Okay, and this is for week 1. Next week you have week 2 and then you can create another folder and you put the name, the file inside the folder 1. Okay, so that's how you organize your work location. Okay, on yeah. And so now how you can combine that? So you know that if you click on the cell, you see the name EC1. This is a current folder. This is original folder that you create. Okay, add the name. Yeah. So the name here is tell you the current folder that you are being in. Okay. If you want to combine hello.c, you need to go inside the folder. Right? To have to go inside the folder, what you type? CD. Okay. CD stands for change directory. Okay. CD it means change directory. So you change your directory into week 1. Okay. So you try week 1, and then you need to try the correct name, right? I show you one tip that you can do it faster. You just type W1 and you hit the tab button. Okay, hit the tab button in your keyboard. Right. Like this. Okay. You should just type some initial letter. You hit the tab button and it will complete for you. That's how people can type very fast. Yeah. Look like when you're watching some movie of a hacker, they can type a command a lot and they type very fast. Okay. That's how they do it. Using the tab and up and down arrow. Okay. That you can roll between the available options at the time. Yeah. So CD into that and you hit enter, then you see that you are now inside that folder. Right? Okay, you see it? Yeah, and then now you can combine it by PTC. PTC. Hello. Let's see. I dot now. Like this. Okay. Hello world. Okay. That's how you do it. Right? And now I want to add my name here, so I can say change the message. Okay. And then if you combine it again, yeah, you should see your name. Okay, that's how it works. Yeah. No subfile of directory that the name is correct. So you see W1. You already inside, so you cannot go inside. CD space. Yeah. One more tip here. If you want to get back, then you can type CD space dot dot. Okay. So dot dot is to go back, go up one level. Okay. Yeah. You CD folder name, you get inside. CD dot dot, you get back to the parent folder. All right. Yeah. And what next? So you can lay around to print out your name and print out your first name and last name. Then yeah, print out your name. Next, you can read now your first name and last name in different line like this. Okay, you can think about how to do it. Alright, yeah. So let's make this one become a homework. Okay, later on you can modify. You have your name in different line like this. Okay. Next, I would like you to focus on this one. Learn the command here. Yeah. You know that like I just mentioned before. The ability to type the command is very important for the remember. Okay, you know that even that some people they don't use the mouse, they just use and type the keyboard to help them to type very fast, even to grow the file well. Okay, so the ability to type the command again very important. So here I show you some command that you can use in Mac OS, in Linux, even in Windows as well. In Windows, if you are using PowerShell, then you can compile the command. Okay, so I understand that command, and we will just follow this step by step, and I will do it right now. So now take a look and let me demonstrate it, and then you can do it by yourself later. So the first command, yeah. Okay, so let me do it side by side, and you can also do it together with me to understand that what does it mean. Okay, the first one, you have the command name is wwd, and the meaning is that green working directory. Okay, so it means that it's green the current directory that you are being in, right? And wwd. Okay, so if we now that I am inside my EP2601 folder. Okay, and this is home and this is my account name. So by default, that let's create account name for me render. Okay, and that's the folder that I create inside my home folder. Okay, so wwd again, green working directory. That is current location that you are being in. You get that? Okay. Let's try that. try the command together with me. Okay. Now the listen, try the command together with me. See what we have. BWD. Yep, so you see that? Okay. Let's try the command in the cell tab. Alright, next.
Okay, good.
The next command is to create a new folder. Okay. So you know that if you use the GUI, you can create a folder here. Okay. What if I want to make a folder using the command line? So you need to type a command. And you have example here. For example, mp here temp. Okay. So mp here cmd. Yeah. And we create a folder here, cmd. Okay, do it yourself. mp here cmd, create a folder. Okay. Yeah. And you know that actually I'm doing outside the which one, right? You should see it similar like this. Okay. And what if I want to create a folder inside a TMB folder? Yeah. What if you want to do it? So one way that you need to cd inside the TMB folder and you create a new folder there. Right? Another way that you can specify the complete path. Okay, it means that all the paths go to that folder. So I can do something like this. And here, TMB path. So I want to create something inside the TMB folder. So this is the path. You get that? Path is the location. Right? So I want to create inside the TMB folder. So I have npm TMB path. And then the folder name that I want to create inside the TMB folder. And if my folder name has some space, I need to use the folder for that. Okay. So my folder like this. Yeah. And you see my TMB it has my folder inside. Yeah. Right. So you can specify the path like this. Okay. Even that I want to create a subfolder inside my folder, then I can have it TMB slash my folder slash. Okay. We can continue to it like this. Okay. Yeah. So that's the way that you can stay in one location, but you can do the thing in another location by specifying the path. Because you have to spell in the name. Yeah. And when you are doing the activity, try to discuss with the one that's next to you. Okay, don't do it a lot. So you can have the one that's next to you, or you can ask them to help you as well. Yeah, so you are going inside remove file with my kind folder. So and okay, yeah. So what next? So you relay the my folder inside the CMD folder. Okay. So next is the ls command. ls is stand for list. Okay, you click on the content inside the current folder, right? So I am inside the my EC1 EC2601 folder. It's kind ls. Okay, in the kind ls it lists out on the file folder I have. Okay, so ls is stand for to list out on the content that you have. Yeah, and you know that in the Linux environment, if you don't have the like some server, they don't have the GUI, they don't have the graphic user interface for you, and the only thing that you work with your server is like the terminal like this. Okay, so you cannot see the file, you cannot see the folder, and you need to use the ls command to list out what you have in the current folder. So the command is very important like this, right? So try it, ls, see what you have in the current folder. And you can also try to list the content inside the TMP folder or the quick one folder. By again specify the box. Okay. So ls TMP. Like this. So you list out what you have inside the TMP folder. Okay. ls quick one. Yes, and again I just type W1 and I hit the tab. Okay, and slot and then enter. Then you see what is inside. Okay. Alright, next. So you already learned the ls command, okay? CD command you already learned already about, okay? So CD, yeah, CD it means the change directory, and with the name then you go inside that directory, and if you give dot dot then you go back, you go up one level, okay? And you may heard that I yield the name folder and directory, but you know that folder and directory they are the same. Okay, just two terms for the same thing. Right? Yeah. Next, it talk about how you can create a file. Okay, so you know that you can do it inside this one to add a new file. What time you can do this by the terminal. So you need to type the command dot and the file name. Okay. So here. Yeah. So I need to type command here first. CD temp. Okay. CD temp. So I get inside the temp folder. Right. And then CD laptop. So I get back. Yeah, so anyway, I get back to my original folder. And then I start create a new file, the name is file.txt. Yeah, so you see, I write a new file here. Okay, by the third command. Right? So that's how you can create a new file like this. Okay. Yeah. Right. And next is about how to copy the file. So you use the cp command. It stands for copy. And cp is copy. Right. And we have example here. Okay. So cp, the file name. Okay, right. So let's see here. I want to copy this file, and then you specify where you want to copy it to. Okay. So the first one is the one that you want to copy, and the next one is the one that you want to copy to. Okay, the destination, right? So I want to copy to TMB folder. Okay, copy to TMB folder. So we can type TMB. Like this. Okay. Or you can specify the path. So you can have like this. And again dot, one dot and slash. What does it mean? One dot and slash. Yeah. Right. Correct. So it's in the current location. Okay. So I refer to the current location which is this folder. EC1 folder, right? And I refer to the TMB folder. Okay, and I want to copy it inside. Yeah, remember that whenever you want to specify inside, you need to have the slash, right? And then hit enter. And you should see that you have the by rotating instantaneously forward. Okay, so that's how you copy the file. Alright? Yep. So try it by yourself.
Thế rồi. Mèo quá.
Alright, so after you can be able to copy, then you can so move the file folder well. Okay, and to move the file folder, you give it mv command. So mv is stand for move. Okay, so you can type command here. Yeah, and mv file .txt. Okay, I want to move that file. Okay, so when you next you need to specify where you want to move to. But if I do it like this, new file .txt. So what does it mean? I move this file, but I move to where I move to? I move to the same location because I don't specify anywhere else, right? I move this file to the same location. So what does it mean? Yeah, I rename the file. Okay, so you can rename the file by move in the same location. Make it become a new file like this. Okay, and if I hit enter, so you see, I already changed file .txt become new file .txt here. Okay, so that's how you change the file name, right? Yeah. And of course, you can move to another location. So, for example, I want to move the new file. Okay. If I want to move the new file into which one? What is to do? Move the new file .txt here to which one? Yeah, so you need to type which one. That. Okay. And the type to one that. Okay. Enter. So you see, it moved inside which one? Okay. Yeah. That have work. Okay. And you can print out the next you have some command to print out the content of the file name. So I can have new file, okay. So I have command tab. Yeah, this one. So first of all, I would like to use the equal command. For this one, this means that you will send the content into a file. Okay, equal means that you put some text inside that. Alright? Because this file when I create, this have nothing inside. Okay, so I want to put something inside, so I use an equal command. Okay, so equal text, and then you have the larger symbol like this to specify where you want to put the text into. Okay, and you need to hit enter. Right. So you should see that in your so in your new file .txt you have the hello like that. Okay. Right. And then I want to bring out the content. Yeah, I still want to print out the content, so I use the path command and specify the file to the path. So print out the content inside my file. Okay. Yep. So that's the echo and path command. Yeah. And lastly, to delete the file folder, then you can use the rm command. Okay, rm stands for remove. So here, this one rm. Okay, it stands for remove. You can remove file folder. Yeah. So, and for example, I want to remove remove the new file.txt. I will type rm. Okay. I want to remove that file. So I type rm and then specify the path. So which one? New file.txt. Like this. That's how I remove the file inside this folder. Okay. And I hit enter. So you see, it deletes the file. Okay. So that's how you delete the file. rm, again rm the path to the file and then the file name. Okay. And if I want to remove the folder, so what to do? rm, I want to remove the temp folder. I type rm, cmd, like this, hit enter, and inside the error that I cannot remove that folder because it's in a directory. Right, so if you have a directory and if you have something inside, you need to do another way to remove that folder. Right? And the way you do it, so rm-r cmd. So you need to add -r for a folder. And what does it mean by -r? -r is stand for recursive. Okay, recursive. It means that you need to go inside that folder and delete everything inside recursively. Okay. So when you delete the folder, you need to have -r. You get that? Right. Okay. Enter. So delete the TV folder. Okay. So everything is clean now. Get that? Yeah. And lastly, you try the clear command. It will clear everything. Yeah, but I don't want to clear it because maybe you still want to see it. Okay. Yeah. So that's how you delete the file folder. And if you can list all of them, then you can join the challenge. One way that you can see another way that I can do you will not see the name yet because if you go inside of the folder, so one way that you can do that. Yeah, so mission control. Right, so you need to find the
Oh, fuck. No, no.
Alright guys, so I guess that's it for today. Okay, so we are in the map. So what do you want at home? Alright, so at home you can join the challenge. Okay, use the command line, create the folder structure like this by only using command. Alright, yeah, so try it at home by yourself and register for a teammate for the team. Yeah, so after the class, I will open the Brexit that you can move the name of your teammate inside. Okay, and you can also use the personal camera.
Lưu hả? Nó tự lưu rồi đấy. Mai mốt lần sau chứ bấm vô folder nó vô.
So any question before we end the last video today? Do you have any question?
Xong rồi đúng không?
I'm good. Okay, yeah, so very good guys. So
Giờ em bấm rồi.
see you next time on next week. Okay. And if you have any issue, then you can work on in person or you can
Bạn viết ở đâu rồi?
Right? Yeah, that's it guys. See you next time.
Để anh chụp nè. Xét rồi mà không đổi trời.
When you shut down, sorry.
Tìm lại cái này của em. Hết chưa? Để em lắc này đi.